I'm not wearing my glasses, so I have to squint. Hirap pa sa akin. My ganap today, you will find out soon. Tomorrow then, basta, you guys will find out soon. Everything will all be out naman at the end of the day, so it's important to be patient and just trust God, trust everything, and believe in yourself, believe in me. So yeah, let's enjoy the show. Chillax lang tayo dyan. I got you, bro. Ay!
Sorry na rin.
I can't go to Jaren's I can't go to Jaren's album launch. I'm sorry, bro. I can't go. Kasi, basta. I have scared. I wanna go nga. Sabi ko, tumatawa pa ako. Sabi ko, wow, bro. Promote ako ng promote. Repost ako ng repost. Di pala ako makakapunta. So yeah, guys. Kayo na ang mag-go sa album launch ni Jaren and support him. Kasi I can't go. Ang fire ng songs ni Jaren. Ang fire. Give me a girl to love, I swear. Diba? Ano pa yung isa? Make it make sense. Yeah. You hit different. Ay, paano ba yun? Sorry, Jaren. To God, to love, that's rare. Favorite song at the moment? Okay, let me see. My favorite song at the moment. I really like right now I'm going back and forth with SZA and Sabrina right now. So I'd say like Don't Smile or SZA. Anything by them. Fun naman sila. Ano ba isa? Basta. Also, at random times, like when I drive, di ba magpapamusic ako? At random times, gusto ko i-play yung Paninindigan Kita. Kasi I remember Ate Jazz I miss you, Ate Jazz. Shout out. Grabe ka, Ate Ann. Grabe. Fire. Hello, Yuffie. May Bisaya ba? Check it out. Abangan. Paninindigan. Is there a broken song or love song? Guys, ang galing niyo mag-ask. Baka Tanong mo pa sino ikaw tulog
Pero mas madali siguro kung ngayon.
Cut my makeup. My makeup is nice, no? This is Faces by Jello. And my hair, Shanadera. Styled by Reina Somar. What I might have missed. Looking back, how did I exist? Oh yeah, you know crazy talaga reindeers. Like, Cebu Sinulog, nagpabanda sila sa airport. And then, sa Iloilo din pala. Sadly, I didn't see them kasi we did not pass the main entrance. Tapos sa performance ko nagpa-fireworks. So I'm like, oh, I'm so grateful mga reindeers talaga. Talagang legit silent but crazy.
Nainis ko.
Yeah, huwag kayo magpadala sa noises, guys. Kasi... quiet na lang. Yeah, the website. Have you seen? Reindeer's website? Oh. Wait lang. Bakit I can hear myself there, huh? Gosh. Ang dami kong fans dito. Guys, gusto ko mag-kiat pero I'm alone eh. Parang magmumukha akong baliw. Ate Janela. Ha? Dapat may kalaro ako dito eh.
Ano lalaroin?
Like, tao.
Lalaroin mo ko?
Ay. No, maglaro tayo.
Ano bang laruan?
Hindi. You're so OA talaga. Bakit may hugot ka nilalabas mo pa sa akin? Sige na. Para akong baliw dito eh.
Hindi naman. Ganyan ka naman talaga eh.
Pag tungkol sa akin, wag niyo na po lapitan si Ate Janela. Kasi, like, grabe na po yung mga nilalabas niya na words.
Huwag ako yung gawin mo content.
Kanina ka pang content. Wow.
Ay, hindi.
Office tour daw eh.
Dito lang, gusto naman.
Ano ba yun dun?
Dito, sa table ng RM mo.
Oo nga. Office tour.
Tingnan mo kung may picture ka dito. Wala siyang picture.
Ano yan?
Wala akong picture dyan. That's so table niya.
Nakikita ko yung cellphone. Parang delikado yung show eh. Kasi parang...
Bigyan mo ako ng picture.
Parang may boyfriend siya dyan.
Wala talaga sa boyfriend.
Meron naman talaga, di mo alam?
Oo nga.
ako ng picture mo rin.
Asan picture ko, Ate Vanet?
Wala pa nga ba?
Dali ba?
Kahit naman.
Gosh. Pwede ka pakita ba? So dito na guys. This is my RM's, what's the name of my RM? Hello? Hello ma'am, what's your name? Hello ma'am. Ma'am. So this one is Vanessa Madriaga, road manager Vanessa. So yeah, over here, we got Beanie Colette, and then oh my gosh, her friends, her family, her loved ones.
Creepy yarn?
Tapos over here. Blackpink. Oh my gosh. That's our similarity. Up here tayo. Oh my god, thank you, ma'am. Who's your beside? Who's your katabi? Is it you?
Yes.
Oh, can I tour the tour? Oh my god. Pero I like this one.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, where you kuha this?
That's... Pwede ba?
Ay, no, yun. Okay, anyway, but that's so pretty. That's so amazing. What's this?
Catalog. Gold catalog.
Can we see that?
Pwede naman. Pwede.
Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Francis.
She's so masunurin. I love it.
Random.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that's so amazing. Bakit late yung reaction niya dito?
Delete.
Nakakatakot siya. Bakit ka ganyan?
Bakit ka ganyan?
Kung makaano siya, parang may confidence.
Ito po, kilala niyo po to.
Hindi.
So ito po yung #1 basher. Joke lang, makuniwala kayo. Kasi happy pill daw po ako niya. Happy pill mo ako, di ba? Pag may kita mo lang mukha ko natatawa.
lang.
Okay na yan. So sabi ni Ate Janela, stop na.
Guys!